Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the Health and Beauty channel, and in this video we'll discuss the 10 beauty benefits of yogurt you may not know about. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Who would have thought that one of the best ways to improve your beauty routine is through yogurt? Believe it or not, this delicious food has a variety of benefits for your skin and hair. From reducing inflammation to combating acne, yogurt can do it all. The lactic acid in yogurt has a lot of amazing benefits, so keep watching to learn more about these 10 beauty benefits of yogurt. Keeps hands and nails beautiful. You might think that the only benefit of yogurt is its delicious taste. However, did you know that yogurt can also help keep your hands and nails beautiful? That's right, yogurt is packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. In addition, the lactic acid in yogurt helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing the radiant skin beneath. So if you're looking for a way to keep your hands looking their best, be sure to add yogurt to your beauty routine. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Softens cracked heels. If you've ever suffered from cracked heels, you know how painful and unsightly they can be. But did you know that yogurt can also help to soften and heal cracked heels? That's right, this delicious food is not only good for your gut, but it can also help to keep your feet looking and feeling their best. Here's how it works. The lactic acid in yogurt helps break down dead skin cells, while the yogurt's moisturizing properties help hydrate and soothe dry, cracked skin. Simply apply a thick layer of yogurt to your feet before bed. Cover with socks and let the yogurt work its magic overnight. In the morning, you'll have softer, smoother heels. So the next time your heels are feeling dry and rough, reach for the yogurt. It just might be the perfect solution. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Yogurt is not just delicious, it's also good for your skin. One of the benefits of yogurt is that it can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. The lactic acid in yogurt helps to exfoliate the skin, and the probiotics help to boost collagen production. As a result, your skin will look smoother and more youthful. Plus, yogurt is packed with antioxidants that can help to protect your skin from damage. So if you're looking for a natural way to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, add some yogurt to your beauty routine. Your skin will thank you. Fights acne. We all know that yogurt is delicious and nutritious, but did you know that it can also help fight acne? As mentioned, yogurt contains lactic acid, which has been shown to be effective in treating acne. In addition, yogurt helps to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. And because yogurt is packed with probiotics, it can also help to improve the overall health of your skin. So the next time you're looking for acne treatment, reach for the yogurt. Tighten skin pores. One of the benefits of yogurt is that it can help to tighten skin pores. This is due to the fact that yogurt contains lactic acid, which is known to be a natural skin toner. In addition, yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Probiotics can help promote the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut, which can in turn lead to clearer skin. So if you're looking for a natural way to tighten your pores, reach for some yogurt next time you're at the grocery store. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Reduces blemishes. You may not know this, but yogurt can actually help to reduce the appearance of blemishes. The reason why is because it contains lactic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid that helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and promote new cell growth. Conditions hair. Did you know that yogurt can also be beneficial for your hair? That's right, yogurt can help to condition your hair and make it shinier and softer. The lactic acid in yogurt is a natural exfoliator. This means that it can help to remove buildup from your hair, leaving it looking and feeling more refreshed. In addition, yogurt is packed with nutrients like protein and vitamin B5, which can help to strengthen and repair damaged hair. Last but not the least, the fatty acids in yogurt can help to moisturize your scalp and hair, keeping it looking healthy and lustrous. Fights dandruff. A lot of people don't know this, but yogurt can actually be really beneficial for your scalp. It contains a lot of live and active cultures, which can help to improve the health of your scalp. In addition, yogurt can also help to fight dandruff.